Okay, good morning, class. And we start the screen sharing. Now, last time when we met, yesterday only, we did the 5 pages regarding the writing format, regarding what is message, how are the tricks and the tips which you need to follow, and everything in detail. Now, those details never come for the exam. But since you all know that this is your unit test, which happened on basically online class, so you now know things quite clearly that giving long answers and descriptive answers is turning a little tedious in it, though it is not impossible. So very soon you'll be having your half yearlies, and if online classes continue for the half yearlies, if they do not, then you'll have a pen paper test. But supposing they continue, so know it, the paper would be of 50 marks. Father will finalize and let us know most probably end of this week, and then I could be more sure in telling you. But right now we know that it is of 50 marks. Now, literature and language. That means we'll have the division, demarcation, and a number of one word answers would be there. But then, trust me, I might give one descriptive answer, maybe long, maybe short, but one descriptive answer from each chapter. So if you have 4, 5 chapters, know it at least 4, 5 long answers might come. But the work is more tedious because to gain one word answers from the entire chapters, that means you need to have a thorough knowledge about the chapter. A very simple question in the exam: what was the name of the kite maker? Most of you wrote Ali. No, Ali was the young grandchild. It was Mahmud. And to confuse you, I had write Muhammad, I had written Mahmud, and most of you got confused. So make sure when you are going through the chapters, you should be thorough in that. You should know everything in detail. For that, your chapter reading is a must. Now, children, can you see these children who have not yet joined? Now, the reason could be any, but there are few who are randomly seen not joining. So the record of these children will be maintained. I would ask Ojas to please take a screenshot of this. Take a screenshot of this. Tell Tanya Verma we see on stage. Those children who have not joined, please take a screenshot of these. And these are the rest of them. Take another. So now show this on and send Ojas at end of the class. Put these screenshots on WhatsApp also. And the next below it, the message I will write. Clear? Because father has been very strict regarding the attendance from now on till your half year leave. एक तो ऐसे ही खेल हो रखा है ऑनलाइन क्लासेस का ऊपर से half of you are not attending. Reason could be any, but then many of you do not attend. So now this has not been right. Anyway, coming back to the next heading that we'll take up, and that is, I mean, not the next heading, the another example that we take up. Now, till those 5 pages which you did one example of a message writing. Now, here is another. Read the following telephonic conversation between Rohan and Rahul. Now, Rahul, hello, may I speak to Raj? Now, see, Raj is missing and Rahul needs to talk to him. So he says, may I talk to him? To this, Rohan, who has picked up the phone, says, I'm sorry. He's not in the office, but will be back soon. May I know who's calling? So Rahul says, I'm Rahul Mehta, secretary to Mr. Garg, the director of the Reliance company that trains executives in sales and marketing. Spelling of marketing is wrong. Just check it and do it, okay? Rohan, could I take a message for Raj? Rahul, yes, please. Inform him that the training that he was required to conduct on 8th September has been postponed to the 15th of the same month. Also, please ask him to send us the list of the material that he would need to conduct the training for 30 executives. Spelling of executives is EXECUTIVES. The word is written wrong here. 30 consecutives he is written, it is executives. Rohan, I'll inform him. Rahul, thanks. Rohan, you're welcome. Now, Rohan has to leave the office shortly. Before leaving, he wrote a message. He writes the message for Raj. Write the message in not more than 50 words. It's written not than. You write not more than 50 words. So now the information that we gathered, first thing we gathered, the person who called was Rahul Mehta, and who was he? Secretary to Mr. Garg, the director of the Reliance company that trains executives in sales and marketing. So he is the person, the secretary, and the person under whom he is working is Mr. Garg. And who's Mr. Garg? He is the director of the Reliance company who trains the people in sales and marketing. And so it was Raj who had to go there and give the various conduct a seminar kind of a thing. So you have to go to the details, and now comes the message. As you see, you write message in a capital way in the center, then the date you write accordingly. Now they have given in the passage only, they have given this date, 3rd September. So you'll follow this date. Yeah. Then a day before, they have given 8th September. So now the meeting was on 8th September. So you can't write on 8th September only. So a few days before the person has informed, so you write a date which is at least 2-3 days prior, or maybe 4-5 days prior. So you write that date. Then the time would be of your choice. Obviously, any business call is conducted between 10 to 5 only. So see that you give a proper timing. Then the message is, Dear Raj, Rahul Mehta, secretary to Mr. Garg of the Reliance company, had called. He wished to inform you that the training that you were supposed to conduct on 8th September is now scheduled for 15th September. Send him the list of the material that you would need for 30 executives. Executives. Okay, your Babu English says it. It's executives, not consecutives. Then last, you write your name. The sender's name is Rohan. And why Rohan? Because you'll follow the pattern which is given here. I hope I'm clear till here. One of
Yes,
you.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
this is the work that you'll take up. And I hope Ojas has taken the screenshot.